Trey's feeding himself. Yeah. Yay, Trey. Yeah, we're eating graduate puffs. Feed yourself. Show everybody how you can feed yourself. Dewey, so cute. Say hi, Mimi. Hi, Aunt Joy. Mimi. Mimi. Aunt Joy. Oh, yeah. I struck a nerve. I struck a nerve saying those names. I sure did. Hey, where's some Mimi action? Where is she? Yeah. Hi, Mimi, I can feed myself. Woo. Yeah. Good boy. I'm so proud of you, Sugar Bear. Say hi. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, good job. They let Mimi, I can feed myself. Mimi. You're going to make me cry, Trey. Mimi. Where's Aunt Joy? Aunt Joy? Hi, Aunt Joy. Yeah. Aunt Joy. Hi, Aunt Joy. You waving? Good job, Trey. Get it. Yay, Trey. Yep. Your hand is doing that. That's what your hands are good for, picking up food and feeding yourself. Hi, Trey. Trey, what you got? Say, puff. Those are my puffs.